Okay, we're at Sunshine. We're going around to the sort of like the Eat Street part. Oh, Otis, sorry everyone. Nearly old. Anyway, we're in the Highcross shopping centre of Leicester city centre. We've done a few of the shops before they close. We are going to come back tomorrow. Otis Gen2, 1,000 kilograms, 13 persons, 2007. Yeah. No, University of? Not Sheffield, we're not in Sheffield. Explain. Nice Otis call button.
Spanner for maintenance.
01.
Spanner for maintenance.
Yes. The spanner there for maintenance. For you two. Two little alarm buttons though. That's interesting. One alarm down there. And a little spotlight. It's been a bit of a rush this evening. So sorry sorry pal. A bit short and sweet, but
I want to say something.
wow. Another lift is there? Oh right. Okay, right, well we're gonna look at that, a little bit of Easter going on. And these are the lifts. Look at these for John Lewis tomorrow. We've got 3 of them. That's what we'll be doing. Right, well there we go. That lift done.